I'm Meg McNamara. Thanks so much for checking out this WJZ.com update. Pretty much the entire northern tier here of Maryland covered in this frozen precipitation. So these areas of snow, these areas of sleet and freezing rain. Still to the south, seeing plain rain at this point, but colder air is on the way, and so we're going to get snowier later on tonight. The entire state under a winter storm warning through 8 p.m. tomorrow. So we are going to see a little bit of a lull before heavier snow starts up again late tonight into tomorrow. Here's a look at the updated totals. So you'll notice western Maryland 12 to 18 inches here. This band of blue here, 8 to 12. Now the city of Baltimore, 6 to 8 inches, and then the rest of the state 4 to 6. So we're looking at heavy snow throughout the day tomorrow, starting very early, it looks like, in the morning. Okay, now this is what we're seeing as far as the totals that have popped up. So these were updated in the hour. We'll be updating them obviously throughout the evening, but 7.5 inches there in Ridgely, Bloomfield 7 inches, Westminster 4, Bentley Springs just above 3 inches, about 2.5 there for Longmeadow, Long Green, 1.5 inches. And this is what we're expecting overnight. We're going to see that remaining sleet turning over to snow, and then we're pretty much looking at consistent snowfall throughout the day tomorrow till right around 8 or 9 o'clock. Obviously very dangerous travel due to icy streets and reduced visibility. Temperatures right now, Baltimore right around 32, and we're going to hold in the low 30s, it looks like, throughout the night into the day tomorrow. These northeast winds, 15 miles an hour, 13 there for Annapolis. So in addition to being cold and snowy with winds, obviously we know that could be blowing some of that snow around. This low pressure going to continue to track to the east and intensify as a coastal low. And that means we are looking at pretty continuous snowfall. We get a reprieve in the evening before it picks back up again early Wednesday morning. And this is what I mean when I say continuous. So that was at 4 a.m. Here we are at noon. We're still seeing snow. Here we are 10 o'clock at night. Most of central Maryland still seeing snow. So you can see that's why we're expecting the totals that we are. Now, I mentioned tonight we're going to hold steady in the low 30s. And then tomorrow, as that snow finally will be wrapping up, and then as we look ahead to Thursday, a mix of sunshine and clouds, but will finally be dry. Another chance, though, for wintry precipitation over the weekend. I'm Meg McNamara with an update coming up on WJZ.